Yo, kumusta kayo? Tatapos ko na magbayad ng upa. Grabe mahal ng upa dito sa Dubai. Speaking of upa, ang topic natin today ay anong klase pamamahay dito sa Dubai. Hindi pamumuhay, pamamahay. So, for today's video, mayroon tayo pupuntahan na isa sa mga popular na YouTuber dito sa Dubai. I-house raid natin siya. Kaya let's go, samahan niyo ako. Dito na tayo sa bahay nila. Kaya doorbell muna tayo. Good morning, Sir Onin.
Hi, ikaw pala. Good morning.
Ang gwapo niyo pala sa personal, sir.
Wala to, kagising ko nga lang eh. Wala to. Ano ba ang content natin?
Sir, house raid lang po yung content ko. Okay lang po sa inyo.
Style MTV Cribs ha?
Parang ganun po, sir.
Sige. Ganda natin intro.
Yo, what's up? Welcome to my crib. Today, I'll show you our crib. Let's go.
Today I'll show you my 3-in-1 room. My living room, my bedroom, and dining area. Let's go. This is my favorite area, my bed. That I can lie down here when I came back to work. You know what I'm saying?
Sipping on that lean, careful with it. I said I'm sipping on that lean, careful with my team. Sipping on that lean, careful with the dream.
This bed is for my brother-in-law. You know what I mean?
This is our dining area. You can eat here one at a time because too much tight.
This is my living room that you can watch movie, watch my blog, that you can relax. You know what I'm saying?
I said I'm sipping on that lean, careful with my team. Sipping on that lean, careful with the dream.
This is my treasure, my pair of shoes. I got Jordan, Adidas, and to show you the most undefeated #1 shoes that I love, Jordan 35. You know what I'm saying? The good thing in this room, we have our own bathroom. You know what I'm saying?
This is our common kitchen that I can cook our favorite food. As you can see, there's a lot. Marami nunga, toyo, suka, bawang, paminta. That's why I put this one. Ayokong pag-away. Now, let's go to my ride. Sir, ganda ng kotse mo ah. Hindi yan. Ayun. This is my customized e-scooter with dual suspension and low handlebar that I use every day. And the other one is my fat bike. I bought this one during COVID kasi uso.
This is the common crib in Dubai. So hey, you have to go. Thanks for coming.